Are you tired of complicated email creation tools? We understand the frustration. Introducing Campaigners drag and drop email editor. It's built for everyone, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Design beautiful email campaigns in just minutes. Customize your campaigns effortlessly with intuitive templates. Choose from a variety of pre-built templates that suit your style. Make it yours by adding your branding and images. Your emails will look stunning on any device. Our templates are fully responsive for desktops, mobiles, and tablets. Preview your designs before sending, ensuring your subscribers receive the best experience. Want to elevate your design? Export your templates HTML and add dynamic content easily. Send personalized emails targeted to each subscriber, driving impressive results. Why wait? Start your free 30-day trial today. Discover the simplicity of our powerful editor. Create connections and drive engagement effortlessly with Campaigner. Sign up now.